Hey guys, this is Shaz and welcome to the Ministry of Reviews. The device that I've got for you today is very new to the market. This was launched around a couple of weeks back and it is from a very well-known company called Carlinkit. Now this company is known for developing great standard CarPlay devices of all sorts. But this is the first time that this company has developed a CarPlay device with an inbuilt Android operating system. I can't wait to test this on my new Land Cruiser and check out all the great features. But before that, let's do the unboxing and check out the contents of this box. Alright friends, it's time for the unboxing. Now the device comes in a nice box. It has a dark gray sleeve on the box. You've got the picture of the device. Then we've got some key features highlighted on this side as well as on this side. At the back you've got the specifications of the device also. Now let's take out the sleeve. Okay, but we've got a plain black box, nothing special about it. Let's take that out. We have then the instructions manual, in English with nice images on it. So this will help us to set up and install the device. We also have the instructions in Chinese. There you go. Then we've got the device itself here. This is a Carlinkit Android CarPlay device. It's a very nice cube design, very lightweight, quite compact and elegant, I must say. Actually, they've got three ports here. One slot for the SD memory card, and then the connection for the USB-C, and then another slot for the SIM card. Okay, then what we've got in the box also are two cables. One is USB-A and C. This is what I need for my car, and then it also has a USB-C to C in case your car has a USB-C connection. So it's good that both the kind of devices are included in the box. That's it guys. I'm going to take this device out to my car, set it up, install, and then check out all the amazing features. Keep watching guys. Alright guys, I'm in my car now. I have the device ready. I will connect the USB-A to my car. Now it's connected with my car. It usually takes a little longer for the first time, but this should come up really fast. It should not take a long time. There you go. So we can see the Android homepage appearing now. I'll quickly take you through the layout of this. On the left side you have a panel. This panel is for shortcuts. It usually shows either the apps that are running or recently opened apps. Then the layout has 4 apps appearing, but then you can scroll right or left to select other apps. Now before we start checking all the different apps and the compatibility, I would like to do a quick test to check how long the device takes to appear on the system when I switch on the car, and 2, whether the device automatically appears when I switch on the car. So let's do that test. So for this test I have my stopwatch ready. What I'll do is switch off the car now and switch it back on and then start the watch. Wow, 29 seconds, exactly 29 seconds, let's say 30 seconds. This is extremely fast, I must say. I've tested so many devices, but this is definitely the fastest that I've tested so far. So you can see the device is ready. The first thing I want to do is change the wallpaper so we can easily see each app. So let's go into settings. Let's go down to display, wallpaper. There are few wallpapers pre-installed, but you can always install more if you want. Let's add this one. Okay, let's go back to the home page. Now let's connect my mobile with the device. Let's open the Bluetooth. Yeah, we should see a new device called AutoKit T box. Let's click on that. It would ask us whether to pair with. Then it will ask us permission to sync the contacts and favorites. We say allow, and then we can see that AutoKit is now connected. Now let's connect the internet so we can use the different devices. Let's go to settings, network, Wi-Fi. This first one is my internet. Add the password, and we can see the internet is connected now. Let's start testing a few of the apps. Let's start with Chrome. See the Chrome Google homepage is appearing. Let's see if we can click on Quick Info and see if that site is working. Yep. So Chrome is working pretty good. It's pretty fast as well. Let's now test YouTube. Yeah, YouTube seems to be working fine. Let's play a video. There you go, YouTube is working perfectly fine. Now let's test the Play Store and try to download any app. There you go, let's download this game. Okay, the game is now installed. Let's open the game and see if it is working fine. All right, the game seems to be working fine. Yeah, the controls are also working. The touch screen is also working. Yeah, that's all good. Now let's check out TikTok. My wife. Yep. Works perfectly fine. Now let's connect the CarPlay system. Click on this. There you go. So this is a standard CarPlay which is built into this device. So you can use the CarPlay, which is this, or you can go to the Android homepage which we were using earlier. This one. This device has another great feature called the split screen that allows you to have two apps running side by side on the screen. So let's test it out. Let's say that we open the map.
Head northwest on 67th Street toward 80 East Street.
All right, now let's open another app. Let's go to YouTube, one of my videos, and then click on the side to side. There you go. So in fact, we can have three apps running at the same time. So we have We have YouTube, then we've got TikTok, and then we have the map running at the bottom right here. Great feature, isn't it? This device can be used with both iPhone as well as Android phone. So it can be used for Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. Good thing about this device is that because this device has an Android built-in operating system, you can go to the Google Play Store and download any app that you want. It could be a music, video, games, anything that you want. You can install it in the app and enjoy it in your car. The other great feature about this device is that this is fully connected with all the different functions and controls in your car. Meaning, when you connect this device to your car, it automatically connects with the stereo system for the audio. You can control this device by the buttons on the steering wheel, and you can also control it by the voice control system in your car. That's definitely a great feature to have. Another great feature about this device is that this one has an inbuilt GPS antenna, a very strong antenna that allows you to use navigation apps like Google Map, Waze, and many others. Now this device is super fast. This one has 4 GB RAM. It also has 64 GB of inbuilt memory, so you can download lots and lots of apps and videos and music. It also has a slot for SD memory card where you can add up to 128 GB of memory. This also has a slot for a SIM card, so you don't really need to connect the device with your mobile's personal hotspot all the time. You can just insert the SIM card and use the data from the SIM card to enjoy internet on this device. This device is so compact that you can stick it on the dashboard using a double-sided tape. Overall, this is an amazing device. This is definitely a must-have for everyone. It has so many great features. I am giving this amazing product a 5-star rating. That's it, guys. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to the channel and click on that notification button.